Hello, how's it going? Today we're gonna go how to draw Gengar from Pokemon. It is gonna be a Pokemon, kind of a monsterish kind of design. Let me know if you want to see other Pokemon because we will absolutely do it. Pretty much it. Let's jump into the lesson. Short. Let's jump into this scary thing. Okay, so we're gonna go over how to draw Gengar from Pokemon. Very simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a simple triangle here. I'm gonna go over here on this side, throw a little bit of a larger triangle. We're doing top of his head. Another one and another triangle over here. Right on. Out. Down. Over here. For one ear. Out. Down. Curve. Curve. Out, out, over here, curve, over here, curve. All right, still moving on over here. I'm gonna go to the bottom of one of his hands. And they're gonna have 3 prongs at the end of it. Like so. We go around this side, same thing. 3 prongs at the end of this hand as well. Gonna go over here, curve, down over here, pull up. His leg's gonna be jumping kind of forward at us. Gonna go over here on this side, curve. Over here with this leg, same thing. It's gonna have like a ball shape. Down over here, and then we're gonna have the same 3 prongs stick out over here. All right. U shape. And that foot shape right there. Gonna go over here. Smile. Over here below this. Smile below. And we're going to go in and draw a line down. Line down. Line down. Line down for the teeth there. Alrighty. Gonna go over here, and now we're gonna go in and we're gonna draw his kind of that angry eye thing he's got going on. Obviously, we're gonna draw it down at an angle, and an angle, and then curve underneath. Curve underneath. Line. Line. And one thing I forgot is his tail. His tail's sticking out the back there. So, right there. Oops. And I would say one of the other things to do here is to kind of draw a thicker line on the outside. Gives it more of a detailed look. Right, when you do that, when you have thicker lines on the outside, it's just a lot better. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do like me drawing Pokemon on this channel, because I might start drawing all the Pokemon, so just let me know. But Gengar is just the most, I thought one of the most monstrous ones, but it probably will go on to like other ones that you just gotta let me know in the comments. I want to make this channel a lot more fun for me and for you, so if you have any ideas, let me know. I will totally make them happen. All right, and we're gonna throw a little bit of line right here underneath, like thin a line right here. 4, maybe it bags under the eyes a little bit. Curvature here on the top of the head. Line here on the edges of the mouth. And these are all just kind of details to make the drawing just better all around. And a line over here. And maybe like a line over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much. And I will, yeah, hit you up later, okay? Don't forget, say hi to me in the comments section and keep it spooky, all right?
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.